Hello, welcome to Model Kit Stuff, a very quick update because I thought you might be interested. But yes, today I got another year older, and the good thing about that is you usually get something added to the stash, and this year was no exception. So I thought I'd just quickly share them with you, and at some point no doubt we will do some first impressions. Now the first one is that it's a Leyland truck, the Leyland Retriever. It's a lovely looking truck, isn't it? That's fairly special to me because I live just on the outskirts of Leyland in a little village just up the road there, and I'm actually 5 minutes walk from the Leyland Commercial Vehicle Museum. So I've never built a Leyland truck before, so that is a good shout. So I'm looking forward to that. Really nice, 135 scale, quite a hefty little box. Not looked inside it yet. We'll do that in a few minutes off camera. And the other one, which I'm really quite excited about, is a mini art kit. Look at that. Look at that. Can you imagine how complex that is going to be as a mini art kit? Wowzers. I have had a peer in this. There's a lot of parts to it. So this is the Mini Art US dozer, kit numbers 38022. These are presents from my lovely partner and kids collectively. It's almost like they know me, isn't it? So yeah, some lovely stuff in there, and no doubt we will do a first impressions video on these in the coming weeks, so look out for those. But there you go. Yep, those are my only stash ads. I got a little bit of money, as you do, and I'm going to be upgrading my microphone. So I'm still keeping this one that I'm using right now because it's handy for certain things, but for voiceovers and for live streams I need something that doesn't have a wire on and improves the sound quality, because particularly on live streams the sound isn't great at all. So I am going to be ordering an upgraded desk standing microphone. So as soon as I get that, I'll share that with you and share my thoughts on how it is I came to choose that particular one. Otherwise, that's it for now. I'm building a fence for my tiger diorama. I best get back to that. See you very soon.